The Caterpillar D4 2026 roars onto the construction scene as the perfect balance of power, precision, and efficiency, designed for the most demanding job sites of the future. This next-generation dozer is a true workhorse, combining Caterpillar's legendary durability with cutting-edge technology that elevates performance to a whole new level. At first glance, the sleek yet rugged exterior makes it clear this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of how a medium-sized dozer should look and feel. Built with reinforced steel, advanced aerodynamics for dust resistance, and Caterpillar's signature high-visibility yellow, the D4 2026 commands respect on any terrain. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust Cat C 7.1 engine, fine-tuned for optimal fuel efficiency without sacrificing muscle. This beast delivers impressive horsepower, enabling operators to push, grade, and clear with unmatched speed. Its advanced torque management system ensures consistent performance even under heavy loads, making it equally capable on muddy fields, rocky inclines, or dense urban job sites. One of the most striking upgrades in the D4 2026 is its integration of smart technology. Equipped with CAD Grade Control 3D, operators can execute complex grading tasks with pinpoint accuracy, reducing the need for rework and saving valuable time. GPS and automated blade control work seamlessly to maintain precision down to the centimeter, ensuring every pass counts. This innovation isn't just about efficiency, it's about empowering operators to work smarter, not harder. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a workspace designed with comfort and productivity in mind. The high back air suspension seat adjusts to the operator's body, while the climate control system maintains optimal working conditions no matter the weather outside. Noise and vibration have been significantly reduced, allowing operators to focus without fatigue. The intuitive touchscreen display puts all machine functions within easy reach, from performance data and diagnostics to real-time grade readings. For operators who demand total control, customizable joystick settings let them fine-tune responsiveness to match their style. Safety is a top priority in the D4 2026, and Caterpillar has introduced several features to keep both the operator and job site protected. A 360-degree camera system provides full situational awareness, virtually eliminating blind spots. Advanced stability control automatically adjusts blade and track movements to prevent tipping on uneven ground. Emergency stop systems and integrated telematics ensure that any potential issues can be detected and addressed before they become major problems. Another standout feature of the D4 2026 is its focus on sustainability. The engine meets the latest emission standards, and Caterpillar has optimized the hydraulic system to minimize wasted energy. This not only reduces environmental impact but also lowers operating costs over time. Additionally, the machine is compatible with CAT's hybrid technology options, allowing forward-thinking companies to transition toward cleaner energy solutions without compromising performance. Maintenance has also been made more convenient than ever. The D4 2026 is designed for easy access to all major service points, with centralized grease points, ground-level filters, and a self-cleaning cooling system that reduces downtime. Telematics send maintenance alerts directly to fleet managers, ensuring machines stay in top condition with minimal interruptions. On the job site, the D4 2026 proves its worth through sheer versatility. Whether it's fine grading for a building foundation, clearing land for agriculture, or shaping roads, this dozer adapts effortlessly to the task at hand. The improved undercarriage design increases traction and durability, while the refined hydraulic system delivers precise blade movements even under challenging conditions. It's a machine built not just for one type of work, but for whatever the day demands. Caterpillar has also made sure that the D4 2026 integrates seamlessly into modern construction workflows. With full compatibility with CAT's remote operation technology, operators can control the dozer from a safe distance in hazardous environments. Fleet managers can monitor performance and location in real time through the CAT app, making coordination and productivity tracking easier than ever. This is the future of dozing: efficient, connected, and unstoppable. In a world where time is money and precision is everything, the Caterpillar D4 2026 stands as a benchmark for what a dozer can be. It's not just about moving dirt, it's about moving the industry forward. With unmatched reliability, advanced technology, operator-focused design, and a clear commitment to sustainability, the D4 2026 is more than a machine. It's a partner in building the future, one job site at a time. Whether you're tackling massive infrastructure projects or detailed landscaping work, this is the Dozer that delivers results, day after day, year after year, without compromise. The Caterpillar D4 2026 isn't just ready for the future, it's building it.